The animal kingdom is full of different sounds, with animals using noises to talk to each other, protect themselves, and find mates. Among these, some stand out as the loudest creatures on Earth, making sounds so loud that they can be heard from far away. In this article, I am going to explore the amazing hearing world of nature, looking at the top 10 loudest animals on Earth, which I'm going to call it the top 10 facts about the loudest animals. Here we go. Number 1. Sperm whales. In the deep sea, the sperm whale is one of the loudest animals on Earth. It can make clicks louder than 230 decibels. These big whales use echolocation, like a special sonar, to find their way and catch food in this completely dark ocean. They make these super loud clicks using special parts in their heads. This amazing skill helps them see in the dark water and catch their prey with great accuracy. Beyond echolocation, sperm whales engage in intricate communication, employing a repertoire of clicks, creaks, and codas to convey information about expansive distances. These vocalizations serve essential roles in social interactions, family dynamics, and potentially in mating rituals. Number 2. Blue whales. The blue whale is one of the loudest animals on Earth. It's the biggest animal and makes very deep, loud noises under the water. These noises can reach up to 188 decibels. These sounds are super important for the blue whale. They use them to communicate, navigate the big ocean, and might even use them in their mating rituals. The blue whale makes very loud sounds, which is super important for how they live together and stay safe. In the big open ocean, where it's hard to see, these whales can send their calls over the hundreds of miles. Number 3. The howler monkey. In the green rainforests of Central and South America, howler monkeys is also listed among the loudest animals on Earth. Howler monkeys make really loud noises. They can shout up to 140 decibels, which is super loud. They do this to mark their area and talk to their group. Howler monkeys make very loud noises that travel through the thick forests. They use these large, loud howls to talk to each other over big areas. This helps them stay together as a group and shows they are strong. Their roars are smart ways to talk and help them live in the noisy and busy jungle. Number 4. Elephants. Elephants are on the list of the loudest animals on Earth. They can trumpet very loudly, making sounds that travel far across the savannah. Their calls can be super low, going down to 14 hertz, and they can reach volumes up to 117 decibels. That's as loud as a big concert. Elephants use these powerful sounds to talk to each other, keeping their group together. In the big open savannah, elephants use loud trumpet sounds to talk to each other from far away. This helps them share important news like warning about danger and telling where they are. These loud calls help them stay safe from animals that might hurt them, letting the whole group know to move quickly. Number 5. The greater bulldog ant. The greater bulldog ant lives bat. Why am I saying ant? But it's bulldog bat. Anyway, the greater bulldog bat lives in Central and South America and it's active at night. It uses echolocation like a natural sonar to find its way and catch food in the dark. It sends out ultrasonic sounds that bounce off things, helping it to see without light. This ability makes it one of the loudest animals on Earth, where it's considering the intensity and frequency of sound it produces for echolocation. Their maximum decibel level is up to 140 decibels. Number 6. Lion. In the big open lands of Africa, lions... I know you can't see me well in this. It'll appear now. There we are. In the big open lands for Africa, lions are ranked on the list of the loudest animals on Earth. They make themselves known with strong roars that can reach up to 114 decibels. These roars travel far across the savannah. Lions use these powerful roars for important reasons. They help lions talk to each other, keep the group together, and warn other lions to stay away. Lions use their loud roars mainly to mark their area, telling other lions, "This place is mine," to keep rivals away. These roars also help lions in the same group feel close to each other, making their bond stronger. When it's time to find a mate, a lion's roar is also used to attract attention. Number 7. The cicada. In the bug world, cicadas are like music stars because they make very loud buzzing sounds. Mostly the male cicadas do this, and they can be as loud as 120 decibels. That's as noisy as a rock concert. This makes them the member of the loudest animals on Earth. They buzz together in a big group for two main reasons in their life. The loud noise confuses hunters and keeps cicadas safe. It's tough for predators to pick one cicada out of the loud group. Cicadas use sounds for talking, finding mates, and staying alive. Next. Number 8. The gunshot beetle. In Southeast Asia, there's a small but amazing bug called the gunshot beetle. Even though it's tiny, it can make a sound as loud as a gunshot. This beetle can create a loud crack, up to 108 decibels, just by releasing gas. This super loud noise is its way of protecting itself, scaring away animals that might want to eat it. The gunshot beetle is known as one of the top 10 loudest animals on Earth. The gunshot beetle can make very loud noises, showing how different animals have cool ways to survive. While some other animals hide or move fast to stay safe, this beetle uses loud sounds as a surprise trick. Number 9. Northern elephant seal. Near the Pacific Ocean, big male northern elephant seals are among the loudest. They show they are the strongest by making very loud and unique sounds. These sounds can reach 129 decibels, which is as loud as a rock concert. They make these noises a lot when it's breeding season, an important time to finding a mate. The elephant seal's vocal prowess becomes a dynamic element in the intricate dance of the breeding season, where the male's ability to project powerful calls is a testament to the reproductive fitness. The noises are like saying, "I'm the best seal here," and they help attract female seals. You can hear these deep loud calls along the coast, making a big sound. This is how these giant sea animals find a partner every year, proving they're one of the loudest on Earth. Number 10 might sound a bit weird, but the kakapo. The kakapo is a very special parrot that lives in New Zealand and is in the big danger of disappearing. It's a night-living bird that makes really loud booming sounds. These sounds can be as loud as 132 decibels, which is also as loud as a jet plane taking off. They use these loud calls to talk to each other in the thick forests, especially when they're looking for a mate. The kakapo's loud voice is super important for it to live and find other kakapos in the dark. Green forests at night. This bird is one of the loudest animals on Earth, and its unique sounds help it to survive in its home. In the big world of animals, these 10 loudest creatures on Earth are special because they make very loud noises. These sounds are very important for them to live and stay safe. From the deep sea to the tops of trees, these animals have found unique ways to speak loudly. This tells us how animals talk in different places up where they live. Learning about the loudest creatures on Earth helps us know about nature and shows the clever ways animals use sounds to move around and deal with their surroundings. Here is a few questions. What is the loudest animals on Earth? Well, sperm whales are the loudest animals on Earth. They make noises up to 230 decibels. That's even louder than jet engines, which are around 150 decibels. The next one, is blue whale or sperm whale louder? People think the sperm whale is louder than the blue whale. The blue whale makes the sounds at 20 Hz, and the sperm whale makes clicking noises at about 10,000 Hz. In terms of loudness, the sperm whale hits 230 decibels, while the blue whale only hits 188 decibels. This means sperm whales are among the loudest. What animal can hear the loudest sound? While humans can hear noises from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, but bottlenose dolphins can hear much higher, up to 160,000 Hz. This is even higher than dogs, which can hear up to 44,000 Hz, and are known for hearing sounds that humans can't. Who roars the loudest? Lions roar the loudest among the animal kingdom. How loud can a human yell? Loud appliances such as a vacuum cleaner or powerful tools could exceed 80 decibels. Human screams can be quite loud, possibly exceeding 100 decibels. As of March of 2019, the world record is 129 decibels. But you probably want to avoid that because screams that loud can hurt your ears. That's all for today. See you soon.